Welcome to Stahmann Sales, home of the small RV. And here's a walkthrough video of one of our Class B motorhomes. Since 1939, family-owned and operated Stahmann RV has been providing our customers with the best RV purchasing and service experience. We care about our customers and will provide a full demonstration, and we have extensive knowledge about each model so that our customers can find the perfect RV for their needs. We are competitive in our prices with low overhead and minimal fees, and will even beat the pricing of our competitors too. So if you're in the market for a Class B RV, come see us today at Stahmann RV.